Well, welcome back to Arizona Daily Mix. On today's Health Matters, we are talking about reducing stress by doing more together. And that's why Dr. Sim says men should do more housework. Am I right?
That's right. Men should actually help their partners out. It actually reduces the incidence of heart disease. And in fact, 1 out of 4 people are going to die in this country of heart disease. That's over 1 million people in the Phoenix area. That's a lot of people that are dying of heart disease.
Yeah, and I was telling you that I actually relieve my stress by doing the laundry. People think I'm crazy, but after I do the laundry, I feel so much more relaxed.
Yeah, that's an important thing for people to do, and actually to do it together. One of the things we have here is men oftentimes don't do their own laundry, but I think men should pick up their own laundry, and I think they should pick up hers too.
Yeah, there you go, and it's not that hard to do, is it?
It's not that hard to do, to throw it in the washer and put a little detergent in there and then fold them together. It actually is going to reduce the stress and increase the level of oxytocin and intimacy in the home. And we know what happens when we increase the intimacy. We're going to reduce heart disease.
Yeah, I like that. Yes, it gets you to work out. So let's also talk one thing that guys hate to do, and that's dishes. Guys think, okay, I'm just going to set it on the counter or even leave it on the table.
Or even just put it in the sink, dirty. Isn't that good? So I think men should actually be helping out in the kitchen. Whether it's cooking in the kitchen with them or he can wash and she can dry. It increases that level of intimacy and increases the bonding. And how much fun can you have in the kitchen? There's a lot of fun that can happen there.
Yeah, and it takes the stress off you. Why are these things so stress releaseful? Why are they like help you with stress?
Well, one of the things that happens for women when they experience a bonding issue or a bonding procedure oftentimes with kids, when they hold kids, it's bonding. But it releases oxytocin. But when they do their oxytocin when they do procedures or household chores with their partner, it reduces oxytocin and increases their level of desire and intimacy for their partner.
Yeah.
And that increases or decreases the level of stress that people will have.
Yeah, now there's one thing I know there's some of my friends out there, I'm going to look at you guys. It's easy to do. I did it when my kids were little. It's very simple. Change a diaper. It goes a long way, doesn't it?
It's exactly right. Men should be changing more diapers in the home. It increases that oxytocin, and if you want your women turned on, change the diapers.
So, all right, making the bed. How easy is that?
Making the bed. We've been told from the beginning of time that we should be making our bed. I think the partners should make the bed together. It actually increases the level of intimacy and accomplishment and partnership, which can increase you finding your chances of being in the bed or on a date before going to bed.
I like that. And again, I do recommend, guys, do not brag that you're doing all this. That will actually increase stress on you, but don't brag about it. Just do it.
Just do it. Just pick up the stuff, do the house, do the laundry, pick up and do the dishes, and I think men should even clean the living room. They should be out there dusting, but I think women should do it too. Men pushing a vacuum oftentimes releases oxytocin for women and increases that level of intimacy, which is important for reducing the heart attacks.
All right, we're going to wrap it up here, but doctor, let me ask you, should I wear boxers or briefs when I'm cleaning the house for her?
I think you should wear whatever is comfortable, even if it's like boxers, briefs, or whatever, or sands, whatever you want.
All right, thank you, Dr. Sim.
Thank you.
Bye.